Rendering large Blender scene can take hours sometimes, and if you just want a preview animation, that makes no sense. But what if I told you Blender has a faster way? And many beginners ignore it, and it's called viewport animation. And today I'm gonna show you how you can render your viewport animation to create quick previews. And you can show it to your clients and even make cool transition videos like this, like raw viewport animation to final render. Let's get into it. First, open Blender and start new scene. And of course, the first thing every Blender artist does, deleting default cube. Now technically we are ready to go. Expect we don't have an animation. Right now it's just an empty scene. So give me 5 minutes to build something cool. Alright, we are back. And yes, that definitely did not take 5 minutes. More like 5 hours. As you can see, I've got a full animated scene ready. And this is a sci-fi scene where two hoverboards flying over and some camera movement. Now we are gonna render the viewport animation. Before rendering your viewport animation, you can also customize the viewport. Just by clicking on this arrow and click on this pair for lightning and click on matte cap for more options. And here in matte cap, you can choose from glossy, green, metallic. Also matte cap have 2D options. And if you use matte caps options like glossy and 2D and some more options, you don't even need to render the actual animation. You can just use the viewport animation. And by clicking on random, you can randomize your material's color. And if you are going to render your viewport animation, you should customize the viewport. And now to render your animation, first go to output properties tab. Then set your resolution. And if you are making short reels, use 1080 by 1920. And if you are making landscape videos for YouTube, use 1920 by 1080. Then scroll down and choose your frame rate. Use 24 frames for cinematic feel or 30 fps for smoother motion. Personally, I use 24 frames. Next, scroll down to the output section and choose FFmpeg video. This lets Blender export directly as a video file. Then open the encoding settings. Choose MPEG 4. For quality, you can use medium or high. Honestly, for viewport renders, medium already looks solid and saves file size. Also, don't forget to choose the folder where your animation will be saved. Nothing hurts more than rendering a video and not knowing where it went. Generally, we click on render to render our animation. But to render viewport animation, click on view. Then you will see three options: render viewport image, render viewport animation, render viewport keyframes. And now click on render viewport animation. And your animation will be start to render. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, not like cycle rendering, it takes hours. But the viewport animation takes only 5 minutes. And now let the viewport animation render. And now our viewport animation is rendered. And I'm gonna show you some transition videos of the viewport animation and the final render of this animation that I made. And tell me if you like it or not. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Blender tips, shortcuts and time saving tricks. And comment below what Blender tutorial should I make next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.